Around back, Mark's crew is nailing up the V-groove wood ceiling over the newly applied foam insulation. These tongue and groove planks are the same Cypress we used for the shakes. And early on in the project, Alan visited with Frank Vallot of the Southern Cypress Manufacturers Association to find out what makes this stuff so special.
It has character, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Question is it going to last?
Yes, it'll last. You know, the natural oil in cypress is cypressine, and that's what makes it resistant to decay. As a matter of fact, if you get real close to that board, you can smell you can smell it's a different smell altogether. Well, it's natural when it goes back into the earth. Matter of fact, here I have some cypress shingles that came off of my house.
Are these cypress or cedar?
This is cypress, and this is over 120 years old. Now, this is machine-cut cypress. It's a little bit thinner than what you're using up there, so you have a little hardier plank up there.
Right.
The boards are going to be resistant to decay naturally. I see almost 100% heartwood in everything you're using there.
Right.
So the oil's in the wood. You could not do anything to it. It'll turn a silver gray, or you can paint it the color you want to. Most cypress is kiln dried, where when you deal with cedar, most cedar is not. So it's already acclimated to the surrounding areas. The water's out of it. You're not going to have a lot of movement. Cypress is a little bit more dense than cedar, so it'll take more of a daily beating. And the elements left out in the natural, if you don't do anything to it, it'll really stand up to the weather, because its rate of decay and rotting is going to be much slower. And then with all the heartwood and today's coatings that we have available, then you have a recipe for a really beautiful project here.